Major tariff challenges are hitting the USA bike industry. Prices could soar. Here's what you need to know. Hi everyone, I'm Chris, a data engineer at Joykie, diving deep into the bicycle industry. Today we are unpacking the new US tariff policy effective August 7, 2025 and its impact on your bikes and wallets. The US just rolled out a new tariff plan, replacing Apple's policies. Countries with trade surplus face a 10% tariff, while 40 nations with deficit, like Taiwan and Vietnam, hit 15%, with bikes from these key suppliers facing up to 20% tariffs. Canada slammed with 35% rate, though USMCA-compliant goods get a break. PeopleForBikes warns that could spike costs across the bike industry chain, from parts to e-bikes. President Trump's using the International Emergency Economic Power Act to justify these tariffs, but courts have questioned its legality. An appeal is ongoing with a ruling possibility months away, maybe heading to the Supreme Court. Plus, the 800 de minimis exception is gone as for August 2025, targeting low-cost imports like Chinese e-bike parts. This aims to level the playing field for USA businesses, but could raise the retail prices. There's some relief. EU deal caps tariff at 15%. Down from the threatened 30% with zero tariffs on the select US goods. Arrangements with the UK, Japan and others are in place, but China's truce ends on August 12, risking higher tariffs. These deals are shaky and supply chains remain on edge. The bike industry faces rising costs and uncertainty. How will you adapt? Share your thoughts in the comments, smash the like button and subscribe for more industry updates. For the full tariff list, DM us. Got ideas for our next video? Let us know below.